Healthy Drink!
Hey guys, sorry that I've been MIA. This past semester has been pretty tough because I found out I wasn't gonna graduate when I planned to. So it was kind of tough being motivated to do anything but school. But I'm back and I have some fun stuff to show you guys. We actually went to the Devil's Punchbowl in Hamilton. Like online looking at the pictures, I don't know, it didn't seem like it was gonna be that nice, but it was actually really nice. We climbed the waterfall, so it's a lot more fun if you climb the waterfall rather than take the trail because I don't know, you feel adventurous and you feel like you're accomplishing stuff, and you don't see as many snakes because we saw a couple and they were terrifying. But yeah, my bus is here, so I will, you know, see you later. Hey! We are going hiking to the Devil's Punchbowl, so please pray for us. The semester is finally over, so we are hitting up our, I don't know what to say. We are starting our summer off with a nice hike. It's really, really nice today. For the past week, it's been like 10 degrees, 6 degrees, and super windy and rainy. But today is the one day that it is 25 degrees out of nowhere. So everyone's kind of going crazy wearing shorts and stuff, so it's nice! We just got to Hamilton off the highway, and what is the first thing that we see? A Nissan 370Z sale, and they had it in yellow and blue and red. Nissan 350Z is the dream car in yellow, but of course they discontinued it, so now they have 370Zs, and woo! Oh my gosh, I want it! We're coming back here. Hamilton, you got the goods. Ooh, creepy. Da-na-na-na.
Welcome to Hamilton, baby. The Punchbowl Country Market, baby.
What actually happened was the history.
Oh my gosh, he's our tour guide.
I know.
Like a backpack for it too.
There was a lot of
actually in Hamilton,
slaves and people with disease. So what they did was they put them in a certain area and they burnt the whole place. And literally they died.
Oh my gosh, just like I thought this was gonna be a happy story.
I know. This is where like people come.
So they erected a cross to kind of give them peace and stuff like that because it shouldn't have happened to them anyways. And that's why there's a cross here.
Oh my
That's
God.
why the peace is.
Yep. Oh, there you go.
Phone and watch.
Hey, we're going towards the water.
Stairs are still a little slippery.
They're slippery?
Yeah, a little bit.
They're also like made for long legs.
It's more like a
You made a tripod.
Do you guys want to go climb up the waterfall?
Yeah, I do. I do want to climb up there.
No, I'm putting it down.
He only has one shot. And she got that. Oh, she fell.
Your foot is officially soaked. So is mine.
We made it.
We made it! We're here! able to beat the rain, and now we are here for the game. Raptors! Over to the first quarter. It's intense in here, right? It's third quarter, up by 20 points?
10, sorry.
Are you watching the game? Yes. It's 10. We're up by 10 points. And we have like 8 minutes left. What do you think of that? Valuable insight. Jill, what do you think of the game? What is your valuable insight?
Good.
All right, back to you, Leo. 29 seconds left. I am sweating. Do you smell these pits? They are sweating. Right, Gil? Your pits are sweating? It's a lie. Yes!